Hi everyone, want some great ideas to make your home look a little more modern, a little more up to date? Why not try one of these painted spot wallpapers? This is from the Anthology collection, and what I love about it is, it's so much easier to hang a wallpaper than it is to stencil it, paint it by yourself with all the different colors. This beautiful wallpaper has like blues and greens and a little bit of burnished nickel. Now the silver is great because you mix gray furniture with it, silver hardware like in a bathroom or doorknobs. It looks great in a den or a nook in a dining area or a dinette area, or a bathroom actually. So they're quite fun, whimsical papers to use. It sort of brings a bit more of a beachy feel. I added this sort of coral lamp with this decor for this bedroom just to create more of a beachy feel. So if you want to bring the outside in, try one of these fun painterly sort of whimsical prints. It'll just brighten up your home.